Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the first episode of Maverick Drink Reviews. And as you can see right in front of me, I have Coca-Cola. America's classic, I guess. And here's the nutritional facts here. 140 calories for 12 full ounce. So 39 grams of sugar, and 0 grams of protein. So, it's a regular Coke, and let's go ahead and pour this in the classic Coca-Cola cup I have in front of me. And I'm not going to pour too much because it's a little bit late, so there it is. Give it a taste real quick. This is a really good soda. It is I don't know if to say it's too sweet or not enough sweet. I'm gonna say it's a little not sweet. When I drink it, it does have a smooth feeling to it. Alright, never mind. It's a little bit too sweet. So, right after I drink that, my teeth start to get a little numb, and it's not the feeling I want after I drink a glass of soda, not even a full glass. So, I guess I would rate this an 8 out of 10. It's a little too sweet, but it is a good drink, I guess. I think it's a pretty good drink, and it tastes good, just a little too sweet. So thank you for watching the first episode of Maverick Drink Reviews. I will have more on this series, and thank you for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next episode.